Welcome to the White Wolf channel. Today I would like to invite you for a unique journey to a magical world full of colors and beauty of nature. Welcome to Shugborough Estate, a place where flowers come to life at their fullest. It is here on the Shugborough Estate that nature and history intertwine. It is a unique place, founded in 1763, full of majestic gardens, historic buildings and stunning views. This is a real paradise for flower lovers. The Shugborough Estate is a beautiful place to visit any time of year, but it is especially stunning in the spring and summer when the flowers are in bloom. The estate grounds are home to a variety of flowers, including roses, tulips, lilies, dahlias and hydrangeas. The flowers are arranged in a variety of gardens, including formal gardens, woodland gardens, and water gardens. One of the most popular gardens on the estate is the Rose Garden. The Rose Garden is home to over 2,000 roses of all different colors. The roses are in bloom from June to September, and they create a beautiful and fragrant display. Another popular garden on the estate is the Tulip Garden. The Tulip Garden is home to over 10,000 tulips of all different colors. In addition to the formal gardens, the estate also has a number of woodland gardens and water gardens. The woodland gardens are home to a variety of native plants and flowers, and they provide a peaceful and secluded place to relax. The water gardens are home to a variety of water plants, including lilies, lotus, and water lilies. The water gardens provide a tranquil and serene setting.